Righto, as you guys know, we've just bought this brand new 300 series Land Cruiser just behind me, and what I've got inside this box is going to be absolutely game changing for our infotainment system and for any of you guys that have bought any models with wireless CarPlay. So let me quickly show you what I've got inside. So guys, let's be honest, when you get one of the new cars that are out on the markets today, they all come with an Apple wireless CarPlay or Google Play, depending if you've got a Google phone like a Samsung, or with the Apple CarPlay if you've got an iPhone. And one of the amazing things is about these systems is that you're able to use your music on your apps, Google Maps, Apple Maps, but you're so restricted to all of the different apps that you can use on these infotainment scenes. And to be quite honest, they're really quite simple because they don't allow you much freedom to use it like a normal tablet. And what I've got in this box is going to help out with this situation. So let me turn on the car and showcase you how we're going to change this info system. So what I've got here is the AutoCast AI Box E2. And what it's going to do is it's going to transform our car's basic infotainment system into a fully usable tablet, allowing you to download apps, stream videos, watch things like YouTube and Netflix whilst you're not driving the car, and even use Google AI. So let's quickly show you what's actually inside this box and how easy plug and play these systems are. Straight away, we have the user manual to it, the quick guide on how to set it up and plug it into your system, the very good looking AutoCast AI eBox 2. Then underneath, we've got USB-A to USB-C depending on what your car takes, USB-A to USB-A, and then USB to USB-C, which is the one that we're going to use. So one of the main attractions to why this works so well and what it actually does is this is what we're seeing here as the Apple CarPlay, which is wired or wireless, and it doesn't really matter what you've got because what this does is it can change it from wired to wireless as well. So just quick demo for anyone that's not aware. This is what the simple screen looks like when you have the Apple CarPlay on, and there's only limited apps that it legally allows you to have. So let's quickly show you the install of how we put this in so I can show you how this magic works. So all you have to do is grab your quick guide, or if you need more instructions, there's a QR code as well for a video, USB-C to USB-C cable that it comes with, and then the actual AutoCast device. First things first is I'm going to plug the USB-C into the USB-C port on the front here, just like so. Identify on the car where your USB ports are that connect up to your CarPlay. Simply plug it into the car. The device will then power on. And then for me, temporarily, we're just gonna sit it up here underneath where all the aircon units are. Nice and flush, neat, and tucked away. It's important to note, on your car, there'll be two USB ports, one for charging like that one, and then one like this one that allows you to connect up to the actual user interface. Then check on the back whether you use CarPlay or Android Auto and flick that switch to what you need it for. This will pop up here, CarPlay available for Autobots, and then simply click on continue, and then look at that. It's literally just automatically transforming the car. Agree and accept the terms and conditions. Set your language settings, where you live, and no, we don't live in America. Then all your formats, so I like seeing things in 24 hours, kilometers per hour, and Celsius. And then boom. Look how different that is. That is bloody awesome. So as you can see, it's really easy installation. It's plug and play. I can now download any app, stream my favorite videos on Netflix, YouTube, etc. It's wired to wireless CarPlay, so it's irrelevant if you only have wired CarPlay. It can still do this on your screen. It's got all the custom widgets that you can see there. Absolutely everything that you need. It's got the Google AI there, or Siri, depending on what you've got. You've also got a SIM card adapter in the actual device itself if you want to constantly have it connected to mobile internet. Or like us, we're going to use it. We're going to connect it to our Wi-Fi on our personal hotspots. Just like a scroll down menu like that. Just going to connect that to my Wi-Fi here. Easily connected just like that. And now let me quickly show you how we're going to use this whilst we're touring Australia. My favourite feature is the split screen feature. So for example, if we wanted to watch YouTube, I can have YouTube up one side and then just for example settings on the other side, and then you've got a split screen. It's bloody awesome. It's got a really simple, easy to use interface, which is my favourite part. There we are. And then boom, just like that, I've completely turned my old car infotainment system into like a fully functional tablet. Bloody awesome. Now guys, how we're going to use this whilst we're touring around Australia for this one. As you guys know, when you're touring, you are on the road for long distances, staying at places for very long times. So being able now to be able to watch things, obviously not while driving, when you're stationary, you're filling up. Maddie might be out doing the groceries or something like that, and I'm in here, we start a family or something like that. We want to stay in here with the kids. We now have a fully functional infotainment system. We didn't have to go buy another tablet. It's $150 for one of these. If you use our discount code ALWAYSTouring10 at checkout, you also get yourself a discount on one of these devices. I'm actually amazed as to how easy that is to plug and play.
Hey, Rick and Morty! That's so cool.
It's our new little device that we got, the AutoCast.
Hey,
Matt hadn't seen this yet.
that's cool.
So yeah, it's just
So
like
what can we watch now?
literally anything. It's just like a tablet. So we can go back to here. We have access to all the apps and everything.
Is that TikTok?
YouTube, was it?
I literally saw TikTok on there as well.